water bodies around. Look at that. Let me zoom it for you. Oops, my umbrella is going haywire. The water bodies have been created because of the rain last night. It is raining whole night, and just imagine, I don't know what I'm going to face now on the way. It's really getting difficult to walk around. You have to be careful of the slippery portion of the road. There is a highway that I was talking about. Let me zoom it for you. Again, I have to. And this is the road that this guy was asking how to go there, but there is no direct road. There used to be a road here at the end of this particular path, but because of road construction, this is gone now. There is a wall built. I see one more person coming in. I'm not sure whether you will be able to see, but let me zoom it. There is somebody. Look at that. There is someone who's trying to climb the wall. So still there are people crazy like me who are doing morning walk on the hill, which is muddy. I'm going to take you to the most muddy portion of this particular hill after some time, maybe another 5 minutes. But at this point in time, this is where I am. Normally I walk somewhere around 5.5 kilometers in 50 minutes, and this is the place where I come normally. So I see this guy every day, so let's say hello to him. Namaskar. नाही कोणीच नाही, आज आपणच आहोत. हो हो मी येणारच. He is saying that there is no one around, and he was very sure that I will come. So that's how I am famous over here. I planted few trees over on this hill a few years back, and was growing them for last 3 years. Somehow somebody didn't like it, and they burned those trees. That's really bad. Actually, they burned the hay around, and in that those trees also got burned. But you know nature, it bounces back. The nature saved some of the trees, and they're still growing. That's good for sure. You can see almost a jungle around. You can hear the birds singing. Soon I'm going to take you to the most exotic place from where I normally put my videos of ducks and the birds around that water body that is created. That's not a natural water body, but it was more of a stones that were digged through. Look at this. This is the highway that this guy was talking about. Let me try and go on the other side. I normally don't go, but let's see. This is the highway. Look at this. Yeah, so that's the highway that guy was asking for.